In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and open files on OneDrive. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along easily, whether you're using OneDrive for personal files, school documents, or work materials. The process starts from your main OneDrive file area, and from there, you'll be able to upload a file and work with the type of file you need. First, go to the My Files section in OneDrive. This is the main area where your stored documents, folders, and other items appear. If you're already signed in, this page gives you a clear overview of your files and is the best starting point for creating or opening content. Before moving on, take a quick moment to make sure you're in the correct location so the file ends up where you expect it to be. Once you're in My Files, click on Create or Upload. This is the main action menu for adding something new to your OneDrive. It's useful because it gives you options depending on whether you want to bring in an existing file from your device or begin working with a new file inside the Microsoft ecosystem. If you don't see it right away, look near the top of the page where common file actions are usually displayed. From that menu, click on Files Upload. This tells OneDrive that you want to add a file that already exists on your computer. After clicking it, a file browser window will usually open, allowing you to navigate through your folders and choose the item you want to add. This is a good time to make sure you know where your file is saved on your device, so the upload goes smoothly and you don't waste time searching. Next, select the type of file you want to create. In practice, this means choosing the file format or item you want to work with, depending on what your goal is. For example, you may be dealing with a document, spreadsheet, presentation, image, or another supported file type. Choosing the right type matters because it affects how the file opens and what tools will be available when you begin editing or viewing it in OneDrive. After your file is added, you can open it directly from your OneDrive file list. Just click the file name, and OneDrive will usually open it in the appropriate app or web version. If needed, give your files clear names before or after uploading, so they're easier to find later. That's it. You now know how to get into OneDrive, upload a file, choose the file type you want to work with, and open it from your file library.